That is a good news for every Nigerian that actually make purchase or for one thing or the other on internet, because over the year now, about 3 to 4 years ago, Nigerian banks suspend use of Naira card for online purchase. And so at the time I'm making this video right now, there are some of the banks that have actually lifted the ban on Naira card for international purchase. And I'm going to show you right here in this video. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to head over to my Gmail right here. So this is just, and from my Gmail, just like what you can see right here, GT Bank Limited. So let's simply open the content of the mail. And this is exactly what I received from GT Bank. As you can see right here, your GT card, your GT Bank Naira card is global again. Now let's read the content of the mail. I'm going to simply scroll down right here. So you can see the content of the mail right here now, that we are pleased to inform you that you now have a quarterly limit of 1,000 USD on your GT Bank Naira card to pay for all your favorite things anywhere in the world. Please see detail below. Channel: withdrawals at ATM abroad. You can only withdraw 500 USD as a transaction limit. Online and POS transaction, that is for online purchase, you can actually use 1,000 USD quarterly on your Naira card again. Kindly note that quarterly limit of $1,000 covers all transactions and including ATM cash withdrawal abroad, purchases on international websites, POS payment outside Nigeria, and more. So you can reach out to your GT Bank for further information as far as this particular update is concerned on Naira for international transaction for online purchase. Now, when I try to research further about this particular latest development on Naira to international transaction, so this is what I found out on Google. So let's check it out. I'm going to head over to my Chrome right here. And I try to make use of search and type in Nigerian Naira to dollar Naira card for international purchase. Then search. Now this is what I found right here. Now here, from the report here, we have GT Bank UBA resume international transaction on Naira card. So this is about 8 hours ago. And then I scroll down right here. This is another update. This is about 14 hours ago. After years of suspension, Nigerian banks resume international payments. So I'm going to simply click on here to open the detailed news. So right here, this is the detailed news right here. And this detailed news here, I'm going to put the link in the description so you can read more about this particular new development. Now here, as at the time of making this video, UBA is certified and Wema Bank has been proved that their Naira card can now work with international purchase, and at the same time, GT card also can work for your international purchase. So you can scroll down and read detail right here. Now for every UBA customers, so UBA Premium Naira cards is now been working effectively with your worldwide variety are now enabled for international transaction. So you can click on read more as far as the report is concerned. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here, and now you can read more detail about this particular development. And I'm going to put the link in the description. The link to this particular news right here, I'm going to put it in the description of this video so that everyone can read detail about this. Okay, so if I scroll down right here, and then so just like what you see right there, in line with our continued commitment to providing you with seamless enhanced banking experience, we are pleased to inform you that all UBA Premium Naira cards, including gold, platinum, and world variant, are now enabled for international transaction statement rate. That is from UPA. So let's check out the statement from Wema. So right here, this is a statement from Wema Bank right here. So scroll down right here. Now, Wema Bank, your Wema Naira card just went global. Now you can pay in dollars on all your favorite international platforms like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, and the bank said it's that simple. So one thing about this is that what is going to be their official rate? This is most question that a lot of Nigeria have been asking. And in my future tutorial, I'm going to try out all this bank right here, and I'll show you the official rate as far as this is concerned. But at the time of making this video, I think this can still be more favorable for most of the people that make purchase online that are facing the problem of Naira card being declined in the past few years. As a result of this new development, you can now continue using your Naira card for your online purchase, most especially if you are customers to GT Bank, Wema Bank, or UBA Bank. And I want to believe that in subsequent day, more banks is going to unveil this development as far as Naira to card for international purchase is concerned. This is what I have for you. As far as Nigerian Naira card now work for international purchase. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.